Gentlemen, welcome back. Let's have a real conversation. Most men today give weak, hollow compliments that a woman forgets in 30 seconds. They think they're being nice, but they're actually being invisible. But if you say the right words with the right masculine frame, she'll be lying in bed replaying your voice on a loop, imagining you, and realizing she needs your presence in her life. These aren't cheesy pickup lines. These are psychological triggers used by Stoic, emotionally grounded men who command attention without ever chasing it. This is about the foundational truth. If you cannot lead a conversation, you cannot lead a relationship. Part 1. Why your compliments make you look weak. Let's start with the hard truth. Most men compliment women from a place of lack. They say things like, "You're so beautiful," or "You're amazing." It sounds nice, right? Wrong. To a high-value woman, these compliments are generic, desperate, and worst of all, they put her on a pedestal above you. When you pedestalize a woman with your words, she might smile, but deep down, she loses a bit of attraction. Why? Because you've revealed that you are seeking her approval. You are trying to win her. That is not masculine. That is not stoic. And it is certainly not leadership. A woman doesn't want to be praised like a goddess. She wants to be seen by a man who is the prize. She wants to feel like your attention is a reward that she has earned, not a participation trophy you hand out to every woman who wears mascara. Marcus Aurelius never begged to be understood, he observed. He spoke less, but his words carried more weight. Inside the lead protocol, we teach you to be the man whose words feel like a reward. Before you speak, ask yourself, am I saying this because I admire her or because I'm afraid she won't like me? If you're seeking her approval, keep your mouth shut. Part 2. There's something dark in your eyes. I like it. The first phrase isn't about her makeup or her outfit. This is about reading her soul. When you say this, you aren't flattering her. You are speaking to her inner world. Why does it work? Because it's unexpected. It implies that you have the depth to see past her social mask. Most men are staring at her surface. You are staring at her shadow. It flips the power dynamic. Now she's the one wondering what you see in her. It plants a seed in her imagination, and imagination is the gateway to desire. A stoic man speaks with precision. He doesn't speak often, and he doesn't speak with high-pitched emotional energy. He speaks with a low, calm, grounded voice. Say it. Look into her eyes, and then stay silent. Let her sit with the mystery of your observation. This level of emotional control is what separates the boys from the leaders. Part 3. You feel dangerous. I like women who know their power. This phrase is magnetic because it appeals to her feminine shadow. Most women spend their lives hiding their seductive nature behind social expectations. When you acknowledge that dangerous energy without judgment, you liberate her. You aren't praising her looks. You're showing her that you see the wild, intuitive force behind her eyes. You're giving her permission to be fully feminine around you. The secret is this. The feminine wants to be seen by a masculine man who isn't intimidated by her energy. This compliment tells her, you're powerful, but I'm not afraid. In fact, I'm the man who can handle it. That flips the script. Now she is the one trying to impress you to see if she can maintain that dangerous status. True masculinity isn't about controlling a woman. It's about containing that energy without being consumed by it. This is a core lesson in the lead protocol. How to hold the space for her chaos without losing your own center. Part 4. You feel safe around me, don't you? Deliver this as a statement, never a question. This is subtle, but it is devastatingly effective for long-term attraction. Most men try to prove they're safe by being nice guys. The stoic leader assumes his safety. He projects it. This line creates instant intimacy because it tells her you are tuned into the emotional undercurrent of the room. It reframes you as the leader of the interaction. It builds trust without trying. Safety is the doorway to surrender, and a woman will only truly surrender her heart to a man she feels emotionally claimed by. You aren't asking for her opinion. You are showing her that you already know the impact you're having on her. You are the emotional anchor in her storm. This is how you lead with presence, not performance. Conclusion. Leading with your words. Gentlemen, It's time to stop complimenting like a boy and start speaking like a man of weight. Forget the cliches. Forget the "you're so pretty" nonsense. If you want her mind spinning at night, replaying your words, you must speak from a place of calm, presence, and emotional leadership. These three phrases are not lines. They are frames. They are the mental structures that position you as a high-value, grounded, masculine force that she cannot ignore. No more weak compliments, no more chasing. It is time to step into your sovereignty. If you are ready to upgrade your frame and master the biological and psychological signals that make a man a true leader, then you are ready for the lead protocol. We don't just teach you what to say. We build the man who is worthy of being heard. We focus on your biology, your mindset, and your ability to lead in a world that is designed to make you weak. Like this video if you're ready to kill the nice guy habit. Subscribe to join our circle of men who are reclaiming their power. And if you want the full blueprint to becoming the leader your woman and your society needs, I'll see you inside the Lead Protocol. I'm Marcus Venson. Master your words, and you will master your world.